Meow. So quickie little gesture sketch here of a delightful pose. I love that kitty looking back. Just keep it nice and loose. Often the reason I go back over my lines some is because I'm just still getting the feel. I'm learning my shape. I'm not always correcting. I'm sometimes accentuating. Just getting the feel to make sure things are okay. And okay for one person is different for another person. You know, it's all about personal style. We'll zoom in and do the face pretty soon here. There we go. So we're going to focus on the face and getting those features in, but still keeping it gesture style. Just getting that muzzle in there. Lots of extra lines at this stage, but I don't mind because it's a learning stage. We won't notice them as much later. Yes, we do have a Facebook group, and you are welcome to join if you are passionate about drawing cats, so that you'll find the link for that group in the video description below. So just mapping out where those eyes are going to go here. And with a partially turned view, it's a little tricky, but you just kind of feel it out. I love just getting the features in quickly once I know where I want them to be, because I just find that I can really capture that more character look. And already I've probably done more on the face than I was going to do, and I don't know if you notice, but when you start giving details to one area, it can make the rest of the drawing look out of place, or it can look out of place in a gesture drawing. But that's okay, because it's all about learning, and you do what works for you at the given time. And a lot of times I'll just take certain parts a little farther just because I want to learn them a little more. It's just all part of your sketchbook and your beautiful learning journey that it shows. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little notification button so you don't miss the upcoming video. So I'm really liking the looks of it right now, even though the face is done more. It's very different from the rest, but I just like to call it that purposefully unfinished look. It has the human aspect, it has the authenticity. I truly believe the best drawings look drawn. You can see the artist's journey in it. And you just got to let your drawing be what it is, because it'll never be perfect. That's not what it's about. It's about self-expression. It's about learning who you are as an artist. So we're going to finish it up pretty quick here. Thank you so much for watching. Throw some whiskers in. There we go. We'll see you next time.